the empty D-Lab. We've got some big changes underway. Just take a look around. Yep, we pulled everything out of the shop because we're getting ready to put in new flooring. So D-Lab is investing into some ESD safe flooring because, as you know, we got issues here. Let me show you the floor. So yeah, we got a little problem here. These tiles over the years have become loose, and as I'm walking on the floor, these things will take off from under me. They'll also get caught on my cart. So we're going to invest about $5 grand into some industrial strength flooring for D-Lab. Alright, so that was the first piece of information of what's going on here at D-Lab. Unfortunately, as you can hear by the echo, I still do not have my shop back together. The people that were doing the flooring scheduled it for last Thursday and Friday. Yeah, it was a no-show. So they're coming back, but it's shut me down for quite a few days. I'm not exactly very happy about that, all right? But I'll update you guys once the new flooring is in and we have D-Lab rearranged to my new model that I'm looking at, okay? Second piece of news. You can see I'm wearing a number, okay? And there's a story behind that. Since I got out of the Air Force in 1993, I've been working in corporate America. I've been through several companies. They always start out good, and things just deteriorate from there. So a couple weeks ago, I decided I've had enough. I'm getting out of corporate America. I found a small family-owned business that does the things that I love, which is electronics, automation, and of course, robots. So guess what? I'm not a number anymore. Well, during my meetup with these new guys, they expressed to me how they want to grow the business. They've taken it pretty much as far as they can. They're ready to take that next step, and they're looking for some out-of-the-box thinkers. And they told me that they believe that I'm that guy. And I'll tell you what, that made me feel really good because I've never felt that way in corporate America. I've always felt like that number that I threw on the floor, that if I walk out, I'm replaceable, okay? I'm really tired of coming home and not being able to tell my wife and my grandkids what I accomplished for the company for that day, okay? I just don't have that sense of accomplishment. It's a sad story, but I've tried. And now here, I have a new group of people that want me, okay? And they see what I can do. So I'm telling you what, I'm gonna do everything I can to make this a success. I have not told any of my ex-coworkers where I was going, and believe me, everybody was drilling me, right? So I thought, what's the best way to reveal the new business? Well, how about we have the purple robot controlling this Allen Bradley PLC, put it up on the viewer screen. Here we go, check it out. All right, here we go, I dimmed the lights to add to the effect. I'll show you the overall, and then we'll do a repeat performance on just the viewer. So I've got the Allen Bradley Micro 850. It's programmed loaded. We're going to watch it here on the laptop. Of course, we got the master cylinder here controlling the whole scene. That power supply would deliver the power to the viewing screen. Here we go. Hope you enjoy the show. That's where D-Lab is heading. There's a BETZ Machine, automation and controls. It's going to be a blast. Okay, so the truth is out there. That's where D-Lab's heading. No more play it safe corporate America. I'm jumping on a new adventure. Wish me luck, guys. I'll be posting updates soon.